introduce myself. My name is Dian Eka from Banguntapanuan Junior High School. Today, I would like to tell you how to make a cell phone speaker from used plastic cup. Materials and tools used are 2 pieces of plastic cup, 1 piece of medium thickness cardboard with length about 17 centimeters and weight of 15 centimeters, cutter, scissor, liquid glue, marker, and decorative paper. First, make a cardboard roll. Make it into a 15 centimeters height tub with glue. Like this. Then, cut the decorative paper to wrap around the tube and the plastic cups. Like this, and paste it with glue. Next, sketch the surface of the middle, the cardboard roller with cell phone. Then, cut the part that was sketched slowly, okay? Like this. Next, make a hole in the bottom of each cup. Like this. Then, attach the carton roll to the right and left side of the perforated plastic cup. And like this. Finally, the speaker is ready to use.